He wouldn't just leave us.
No, he wouldn't.
What if he's lost?
Then we go find him. We're going to find him, I promise.
I hope he's not scared.
Why does every dune look the same? Because it's...
Oh, sand?
What if we're too late?
We're not. It's his... He was here!
Maybe we should rest?
Not yet.
Tell my story bravely! You're fine.
Hello?
Did you hear that? There! I see him! He's okay. We found you! I am back!
Next time, we stick together. Always. Best delivery ever. Let's go home.